Welcome to Brain Wizard channel. If you enjoy solving amazing puzzles, you have come to the right place. Stay tuned on this channel for more such puzzles.
Hi everyone. So let's look at the solution to those IQ test question which I had shown in the previous video. I'm sure all of you must have given a sufficient try. In case if you haven't checked that, then go ahead and solve those questions first before looking at the solution. So let's look at the first puzzle. So here we had to find out the value of x. So what is the pattern? Let's quickly understand. The pattern is something like this. If you look at these two numbers 12 and 3, so sum of these two numbers is equal to 15. Okay, 12 plus 3 is 15, so that's why there is 15 over here. Similarly, 12 divided by 3 is 4, so that's why you see 4 over here. Also 12 plus 11 is 33, so you find 33 over here. 12 divided by 11 is 2. 18 plus 9 27. 18 divided by 9 2. So similarly 32 plus 4 is 36 and 32 divided by 4 is 8. So the value of x should be 4 in this particular question. I really hope you have understood that, and yes, don't forget to hit the like button if you are enjoying solving such puzzles. I'm coming up with more such videos, so stay tuned and make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Let's look at the solution to the second question. Once again, it's a very simple question, but when you come across a table or a block with multiple numbers, we sometimes get puzzled over there itself. So what we need to do is we need to observe the pattern carefully. So here the pattern goes like this. This is the first column, this is the second column, and this is the third column. So in the first row, what you do is you divide the first column number by the third column number and you multiply it by 2, so you will get 24. That is the second column number. Similarly, in second row, 96 divided by 12, this 96 divided by 12, it's 8, into 2, it's 16. So in the third also we can do the similar way. 108 divided by 18 is 6, into 2, it's going to be 12. So the answer is 12. In fact, I checked the comments and many of you had answered it correctly. So this question was correct for most of the students. Now let's look at the third question, and this was actually a tricky question. Okay, very few students have answered this question correctly. So what is the pattern over here? So what you need to do is you need to multiply all the numbers which are around the triangle. Okay, you need to multiply all the numbers and then you need to divide by 10. So for example, 5 into 6 into 4 divide by 10, I'll get 12 as my answer, which is mentioned at the center. Similarly, 6 into 7, 42, 5s are 210. So 210 divide by 10, I'll get 21 as the answer. So similarly, if we multiply all these numbers, 4 8s are 32 into 10. Okay, so 320 divide by 10. So answer will be 32. So that should be 32 in place of question mark, right? So this was the pattern. It was slightly tricky, as I mentioned. Now this is a simple question. I mean, most of the time when you come across such pattern, it will mostly be diagonally opposite numbers. You add, subtract, multiply, something like that, right? So here what we'll do is we'll add the diagonally opposite number, that is 101 plus 15, and subtract the other diagonal pair, that is sum of other diagonally position number, that is 35 and 43. So we will get result as 38. So if you do the same thing over here, 48 plus 184, it's 232, minus 56 plus 34, which is 90. 232 minus 90, it's going to be 142. So that's your answer. So this was the answer for fourth question, 142. And the fifth question, as I explained even in the previous video, so the pattern is something like this. 61, if you reverse the digit, it will become 16, which is 4 square. Similarly, this will become 25, 5 square, 36, 49, 64. So it should be 81 over here. That means the number in place of hash should be 18. Answer is 18 for this question. Yes, so that's it from this video. Stay tuned for more such puzzles and riddles.
Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Also, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting puzzle updates.